Welcome back to Moho Adventures, and in this video you are joining us whilst we are still in Romania and we are now headed east towards the Danube Delta. We're just driving in to the small town village of Glod, and here's a random piece of information for you. Those that remember Sacha Baron Cohen's character Borat, for the film, they used this little place. Now, even though he was supposed to have come from, oh gosh, it's gone out my head. Where's he supposed to come from? Kazakhstan, that was it, yeah. But this is actually, you can see why. It's got a lot of character. Yeah, apparently it was filmed here. So there we go. What was it saying?
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
That was one.
Yeah. Dog. So there we go.
So it was there,
Yeah. I don't even know if I've seen the film. It's a lovely, quirky little place.
certainly busy.
Isn't that? Dogs and cars and people and
stuff everywhere.
A few roadworks, but just like don't bother shutting the roads. Just build a mountain of concrete and chuck the cars along it.
I think they're quite serious to the road.
It is, but again in the UK, like this will be closed for like a year. They wouldn't be allowed to come along it like this.
There'd be a high barrier. There'd be like a big high barrier.
Probably would be. Yeah, oh god, yeah. We've just driven into Sinaia. So there's quite a lot going on. Keep seeing these red mock post boxes. They're not like proper UK ones, but they're just like mock ones. And it's quite funny. This is quite pretty, very busy. Oh, there's a phone box just coming up. I'll zoom in.
We'll just turn around.
Yeah, there you are. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna try an urban car park. See how we get on.
So we stayed overnight in the car park, and this morning we're heading down to Pâclele Castle, or Pâclele. Hi.
Hello, good morning. It's early.
Well, it's only 9.
Yeah, but we've been up and had breakfast and all sorted and out by 9 o'clock. That's an achievement.
Yeah, waiting for the car park man. We must be mad. Problem with the pathway here, so instead of repairing it, they just put a fence around it. Good idea. Yep, attention, look out for bears. last bit of steep hill to get back to the car. Someone's having a rest against the lamppost.
It did look better than that because I've eaten a fair few. Oh, look at this, with the cutest little fruit basket. It's dinky. And it's like a display, it sits on its side. Got to find somewhere to put that. Nothing unusual,
These lights are from Shrek. So where are these spaces
It's
then?
not difficult to turn around.
Shouldn't be. I'll do it.
As always, it's a problem parking.
Alright. As always.
There are any Wednesday fans out there on the Netflix series. Is Nevermore Academy. How cool is that? We're going to get closer and have a look around. But as always, parking is a problem.
It's everywhere.
I guess can't expect too much.
Apparently not.
No, this is where we parked up for the night. It's not amazingly glamorous, but okay. Kind of a sports community area. But this is the sort of crap we have to put up with. And look at this, okay? There's a van there. We're parked right behind us. But, you know, there was nowhere else he could have parked. It's just no room. Just no room. I mean, what a complete A. But there we are. It's been a super hot day today. And there's just there is a wind and breeze, but it's really warm.
Yeah.
Temperatures have been about 37, we believe. It's just starting to cloud over now, which is quite nice. It's about 5:30.
Yeah.
This one hadn't been coping very well at all. We gave her a little bit of a hose down and she's a lot happier, even though she looks a bit sorry for herself.
Yeah, 38 in the van.
38 in the van, and all the doors and windows have been open for hours now.
I'm going to open some more.
Oh, you've got some at the back to open still. Ah, yeah, vents.
I'm going to put the fan on as well.
Yeah, good idea.
Because now the air should be cooling down a little bit. So
Cool.
hopefully we'll get some cooler air through. It looks like it might pee down soon.
Yeah, it does forecast a storm.
After 300 meters, turn left.
So we've arrived here at Camping Muddy, where there is Mud Volcanoes. It's quite late in the evening now, so we're going to be saving that for tomorrow. But it's a beautiful landscape. Look at this, we've got a hay horse, so you can't really see it from this direction. Right, we've got a hay horse and cart. How cool's that? So then there we've got a restaurant and an outbuilding. The hangar is basic shop, drinks, ice creams, crisps, that's about it. And that's also the reception. Then we've got some undercover areas. And then mishmash higgledy-piggledy camping. basically we came in and we said, yeah, park where you want, and people literally just park where they want. Works out to be about £10 a night, so yeah, it'll probably do us for a couple of nights, I expect. But there's some real quirky stuff going on. I mean, look at that, who knows what that is?
I wonder if they even know.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Well, you might.
Kitties!
Hello.
Kitties!
Oh.
Babies! Oh, he doesn't like Bailey. Kitties have made their way over to the van. Oh, you can't see them now. Oh, there's one on the tree stand thing and the others were underneath. There you go.
It's a foggy start this morning.
Well, that's a massive disappointment. Here we are at Camp Muddy. Wonderful mud volcanoes to see, which would have been fantastic. They don't allow dogs up there, we knew that, so we gave her some exercise, we put on calming music, gave her her snuffle bowl, hid treats around the van. We left the van, stood outside for 5-10 minutes, and she was just howling. I mean, obviously we're on a campsite, so we also have to think about other campers. So reluctantly I've come back and Martin's gone. So disappointed. It would have been lovely to see, but there we go. Dogs, eh?
So, heading up towards the Muddy Volcanoes, but this is a steep pathway and it's a bit rough too. There's stones on the first part, but as you get further up it's getting soggier underfoot. It's beautiful views from up here. So here we are at the Mud Volcanoes. Excuse my sweatiness, but let me show you around. You can see they look like volcano peaks, but that's just mounds of mud. Yeah, and you can just hear them with sort of plopping sounds. I'll see if I can find a live one for you. Okay, here we are. This one's burping.
such a sun seeker. Chilling out in the sun, enjoying life. Now we've come out for a change of scenery to the on-site restaurant and saw a sign that looked like fresh orange juice. I thought, oh, that sounds nice. I have to go and get it in the reception. I saw it and I thought, oh, that's a bit orange for orange juice, but never mind. So I picked it up and carried it over, and it resembles like carrot soup. I had a taste and it was just like really bitty and absolutely disgusting. Turns out it's sea buckthorn juice.
Well, we put it in the translator and it comes fresh from horses.
Fresh from horses.
But I don't think that's correct.
We're not drinking horse juice.
It's horse urine. It's sea buckthorn.
It's really unpleasant, but it's supposed to be very, very good for you.
It's not unpleasant, it's just weird.
Oh, I just hope you enjoy 2 glasses of it.
It's orangey.
But you're not feeling well, and it's full of vitamin C.
I did tell you it was full of vitamin C.
So, therefore, 2 cups shouldn't be a problem to give you the pep up
Look,
that you need.
To get one of these down.
You can manage to. We'll take the other one back with us. Just the texture, it's all powdery. I just can't. It's horrible. Let's hope the food's better.
It's a bit like orange.
It's nothing like orange. It even looks like cold carrot soup. Oh look, I've got a wasp swimming in mine.
Get that out because you've got to drink that.
I am not drinking it. Nice warm summer's evening. What to do but play sequence. 1 round down. Who won? Who won?
You cheated with 5 jacks.
Yeah, okay. I dealt them, so it could be regarded as cheating, but I didn't.
Yeah,
You tried to distract me and nick one of the jacks off the pack.
Well, I succeeded, but I couldn't go through with it.
Too busy laughing. The biggest dog we've met, and you choose him as a playmate.
I don't know what he'll do if he catches you there. He'll try and eat you. I'm sure he won't. That's it. Get sniff, sniff. Good boy. Oh, was it a boy? Something like that.
Yeah, it's a boy.
Is it?
That's why it's called Dickby, dear.
Dickby. I thought it's just because he was a bit of a dick.
No, it's because it's on display.
That's nice.
Oh, we've left our park up after a 4-night stay.
Yes.
And now just on our way to go and get some supplies. So we're now headed down to the Delta Danube, which is supposed to be, an incredible area of flats. They're like,
Well, it's a delta.
a delta, okay.
The view of working out.
Okay. Fellas just sat there on their Sunday afternoon chat. Yeah, probably going to take us a couple of days to get there. It's a fair few miles and we don't like to overdo it. So yeah, find a car park up for tonight. Enjoy some pretty views on the way and get some shopping. Oh, what are these selling?
Guess what?
Sea buckthorn.
Sea buckthorn. No thanks.
If anyone's daring enough to try sea buckthorn, please do let us know your thoughts. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified of future videos, and obviously the thumbs up, and let us know your comments. Until next time, thank you for watching.